What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Gonna do a quick walk around video on a 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. This is a 289 A-code car. So the fifth digit is an A that indicates it's a 289 4-barrel original car. Got the GT fog lights on it as well as a trumpet exhaust. Got factory disc brakes up front with styled steel wheels. Has pony interior. Looks like it's got all the factory pony interior stuff, including the deluxe door panels, handles, wood grain steering wheel, 5-gauge cluster, wood grain, and the wood grain glove box. A couple things I wanted to note. We just got this car in stock yesterday, so there is a couple things that we were planning on doing to it, but just wanted to get it online real quick. One including, we got 2 brand new trumpets that are going to be going on the back here, as well as a new seat cover for the driver's side. That's right here. So these are all brand new seats. These are the new trumpets right here, as well as new bezels to go back here. So maybe we're going to throw that on tomorrow. And that's new. These are the trumpets here. So we got 2 new ones that are going there. That'll be all done and sold with the car. But let's continue our walk around here. It's got gorgeous floor pans, excellent condition. You can take a look at that on the website. I want to point out there is a dent right here, small dent. Here's your A-code. Factory VIN plate. Deluxe door panel. Air conditioning blowing. Pony interior. Like I said, we'll put that new seat cover on the driver's seat. Fold down rear seat. Courtesy lights working like they should. Nice tight headliner. Fires right up like it should. Fog lights on, turn your lights on, wipers working. So the AC is blowing cool. Radio working.
That's what makes you beautiful.
This AC is cold. Matches the title, verified that. Anyway, y'all, just a great car. If you hop on the website, you can see the undercarriage pictures. Nice white wall tires in great shape. So we do have nationwide shipping as well as financing is available. Let me know, I can do business. Thanks so much. We have more classics available. You have an awesome day.